Good evening, Currency Kings and Queens. It's Currency, and I'm back with an update on the market concerning gold. We did an update last week, and I wanted to follow up with a follow through. It actually broke those levels on the upside that we were anticipating it going down. But we're looking at the resistance levels to see if it was going to break above, and surely it did. So for those of you that got in on buys for gold last week, kudos. Let's mark up our chart for tomorrow, Monday, March the 5th. These months are actually moving pretty fast. So as far as news for tomorrow, we have CPI at 2:30 in the morning and 11 p.m. tomorrow night. Other than that, we have yellow folder and orange folder news that should not be a huge impact. Let's look at the Dixie because we all use that as confluence with the dollar, as you know. So the Dixie is still on an uptrend. It is lying on that support line for the 200 moving average, and it is nice and clean. What we want to do is see it continue on the upside. As far as it broke above these new previous highs, so I'm going to continue to be bullish on the daily for the Dixie. It is in a range on the lower time frames. So right now we're just watching the Dixie. There's nothing significant about that will impact gold right now at the moment. Switching back over to gold. And I don't know if I showed y'all the news chart. I know I mentioned it about the news here. So we're going over the news for tomorrow here in these areas. So those red and orange folder news, just be careful during those times in the market and around those times, and hopefully tomorrow we get quite a bit of volume because there's some significant things going on. And how about that SHIB, y'all? We know SHIB is going to the moon right now. There's a lot of investors that are in SHIB and making some pretty good profit. So if you're in that and you're celebrating, hopefully it works out for you. Just remember your risk management. Remember, risk management makes or breaks us as traders, and we want to continue to reinforce how important it is to have proper risk management when you are trading in any market. Okay, looking at gold on the daily chart, we have a serious resistance level here that it is currently at the moment, even though we are really bullish, and we have the support line. We draw support here, and it continues to trend on the upside above that. But tomorrow, what we're going to look for in this zone here is whether or not it breaks the resistance here and retest the area to continue up, or if it's going to range. We have a lot of options here with the way that the market is set up. We do have a demand zone on the 4-hour time frame that I could actually draw up, and dropping down on the lower time frame so we can see that. Let me change this to help with the it being something different so we don't get confused. Okay, there we go. So on the 1-hour time frame, we have a lot of areas, and we have a lot of gaps here and imbalances here that needs to be filled. So what I'm thinking is that the trend is going to go down to fill, or at least come down to this area here, and continue to the upside. So it's quite bullish. So just watch the market in the morning. Hopefully you get in on some really good trades. I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I'm looking, it's nice and clean, y'all. Look how there's also some gaps beyond or below the area that was recently new imbalances were created. So be cautious of that. Always remember that if there's imbalances below, it has a chance of going down to those areas and filling those as well. So we want to make sure that we are paying attention to the market and whatever time frame you're trading. But for right now, I'm really, really bullish on gold. I will stay bullish until proven otherwise. It is a nice clean trend at this time, and it is breaking new highs. So I just wanted to bring this quick update for you. And hopefully you have a wonderful opening trading day for tomorrow to carry you on throughout the week. Let me know what you're in this week, and let me know what you're trading. And if you have any SHIB, drop a comment down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.